Hey you guys, so I wanted to do a quick little video on these because I remember a while back I saw this particular shoe and I was like, when did those come out? And I don't remember where I initially saw them, but I know it was on a site that wasn't US because the sizing wasn't Euro sizing. Recently I saw on Gold that they were under retail. With that being said, let's get into these product details. Reading voice. The Nike Women's Air Max Furyosa NRG Night Green applies a blend of pastels and rich earth tones to a lifestyle silhouette in form of the maximalist aesthetic. In addition to a ghillie-style lacing system, a decorative lace garlands the dark magenta mesh upper and forms a knot in the back. The breathable build is fortified with synthetic suede overlays in black, green, and light blue. Pink webbing pull tabs as the tongue and heel deliver easy on and off. The sneaker is mounted on an off-white platform midsole, housing offset and double-stacked air units in the heel. To be honest with y'all, this is what really sold me. Shoestring, the little bow in the back, I don't know, it was something so simple yet still so, just make you want to take that plunge. And I just thought that was a really cute detail. Also, I'm excited to see the different kind of lace options that I come up with, because I didn't relace it or really take my time. I just wanted to put them on and show you guys a nice little combo to give you guys a little bit of variety. Let me know which one you like best. So that was something real quick to give you guys a little look of the Nike Air Max Furyosa, and I hope I'm saying that right. If you happen to like it, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Beautiful soul, and the L in beautiful is a 1, and I'll see you guys in my next video.